What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is William Rivera, and in this channel we talk about making money mainly with e-commerce and stocks, crypto, etc. Right? In this video specifically, we're going to be talking about how you can make money utilizing digital real estate. Now you may be asking yourself, Will, what is digital real estate? And I'm going to be giving you the exact definition right now. So digital real estate is basically buying a digital asset or creating a digital asset that you can later sell for a profit, right? And in this example, I'm going to be giving you my personal digital real estate asset that I own, which is a Twitter page called Lil Baby Raps. You can literally look it up right now. We have around 17K followers. It's growing at a steady rate. So depending on when you watch this video, it might have more, but this Twitter page, I bought it from someone for $500, but it makes me around $100 to $200 every single month, you know, and all I do is sell promo. And by that, I mean, I sell retweets. So because it's a page that attracts people that like the artist Lil Baby, I get a lot of, you know, aspiring artists, upcoming artists that hit me up via DM with a new song that they just released or a new music video that they just released, and they pay me $10 to $15 to retweet their song or their music video so my followers can see it. Because obviously if my followers like Lil Baby, then they might like the type of music that this artist is producing, if it's, you know, hip-hop, rap, etc. There's two ways that you can get into the digital real estate game. You know, if you have money to invest, you can do it the way I did it, where I just bought an existing page, and it doesn't have to be Twitter. It can be Twitter, Instagram, Facebook pages, just any social media. You can buy a page that has an existing following, a decent following, I would say at least 10K or above, and that's getting good engagement, and you can buy it from the owner, and then you can just run it and start selling promo. So on Twitter, you can sell retweets. On Instagram, you can sell like story posts, Instagram feed posts, etc. And it doesn't have to be permanent. It can be just for 24 hours, right? And you can charge depending on how big your following is. And this is just like regular real estate because you're literally making money every single month. So you can later sell the whole asset for, you know, whatever price you want to sell it at. One, if you have money, you can buy an asset, a digital real estate asset like I did, or you can grow one from scratch yourself. Now this is going to take some time, but all of these people that, you know, have these big pages, or most of them grew them, they didn't just buy them, right? And I think Instagram right now, there's a huge opportunity to grow on Instagram because of the Reels feature. So me currently, every time I post a reel, I get more than 5,000 views every single time. And it's because the way Instagram works, and really the way every social media app works, is whenever they come out with a new feature, the people that use that feature early on get crazy engagement. So you can literally create an Instagram page from scratch right now and just post reels, and your page is gonna grow like crazy if those reels do well. And the reason why that is because since Instagram isn't allowing advertisers to run ads on Reels, the engagement for organic Reels is super high. Eventually, once Instagram allows advertisers to run ads on Reels, the engagement is going to go down, because then they're going to force you to run real ads, like Reels ads, to get more views. And this is how it's worked all the time. When Instagram first came out, you know, you would post a picture and you would get crazy amount of likes, crazy amount of comments. But when they later released Instagram ads and they started having advertisers pay to show pictures on the Instagram feed, organic engagement went down. Same thing with Instagram stories. When the Instagram story feature came out, all of the early adopters, all the early users, they would get crazy amounts of views on their stories. But once Instagram story ads came out and Instagram allowed advertisers to run ads on the Instagram story feature, organic engagement on those Instagram stories went down. So right now is the time to capitalize if you want to grow an Instagram page utilizing the Reels feature, because right now as I speak, Instagram does not allow you to run ads on Reels, so the engagement on there is super high right now. I hope this video helped you out. I hope you found some value from it. If you did, you know, give me a like, subscribe if you really liked it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section down below. I answer all of my comments, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.